So today I'm going to try the Black Diamond charcoal powder, activated charcoal teeth whitening powder. So I've been seeing a lot of reviews on it and a lot of people have been saying that it has worked and everything, so I'm just gonna try it. And so this is what it looks like. I got mine from BlkDiamond, and then when you open it up, it just has this lid for safety. I don't want it to like explode everywhere. So according to the instructions, I already brushed my teeth, so I don't think that you should replace brushing your teeth because you would have smelly breath. So the instructions say that you're supposed to wet your toothbrush and then dip it in here in the little container and then start brushing. Let's do this. And I just start brushing for 5 minutes. I'm trying to keep it in my mouth. I look so disgusting. I look like I have no teeth. I've been trying to keep it off my lips, but this is too much. So I'm just going to brush my teeth really quick again because there's like black stuff in there in between the cracks. Okay, now I'm going to take a picture, an after picture. There's a close-up. There are still some areas that need a little bit more whitening up here and stuff, but for the most part, I do believe that it does brighten them. This is the second time that I've used it. Would I recommend it? I'd say go ahead and give it a shot and see how it works for you. One thing for sure that it does is it removes plaque, like really well. The first time I did it without brushing my teeth, and it removed all the gunk like really fast, and it just makes them look cleaner. I definitely have seen a significant change in the color of my teeth, and if I continue to use it, I believe that it will keep on improving. Besides that, I mean, I like it. I think it's a good product, and if you want to go ahead and give it a shot, then do that. I know that they have some sale going on. I got it for $20. I believe they still have the sale going on. If not, then oh, my bad. So anyway, that was my review of the activated black charcoal whitening kit. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!